in today's session was the conversion tracking. So did you set up the page with call to action button there?
Yeah, so I had a page here. I don't know exactly how you want me to set it up. I have like a home page and it has a button that says view our services. And then it goes to our service page and it says fill out form and then it goes to this
Mm.
form page.
Okay, that's great. So let me go back to the previous page. And for conversion tracking, again, we need to go to Events Manager. So from here, this is the option of the Events Manager. So I need to click on Events Manager option. And here you can see this one was our pixel and it started getting some of the data like the page views. You have got 5 page views so far on your website.
Okay,
So then
that's
the
cool.
next, because it's only getting the page views, nothing else. Like even right now, a few minutes ago, you clicked on this one, our services, and you went to the services page. So how we can tell the basically the pixel that this thing is for this specific thing. So we need to go to event setup and then this one open event setup option. And here we need to add our website URL and open website. Did you add any ad blocker or something?
Yeah, I have an ad blocker on. Maybe that has to do with it.
Hmm.
Here, let me turn this off. Okay, I turned off the ad blocker.
Okay, let me open that again. Now you can see this pop-up start appearing Meta Event Setup tool. So for this one, so just example, if someone loaded this link, so that's a view content option. So we can track this URL. So track a URL here and select the event. So this will be like whenever this URL will be loaded. So this will be a view content. And for value, because it don't have any monetary value for your business, so there is no need to add any value and you can click
Hmm.
on the confirm button. Okay, then if we
Okay.
go to the services page or this one, so just example, this is the form. And
Mm-hmm.
if someone fill this form and hit the send button, so that will be like a lead. So how we can
Yeah.
set up this lead option? So we need to click on this one, track new button option, and from here we need to select this send button and this will be as a lead, so we can add that as a lead event. And again, because it don't have any monetary value, so simply don't include any value and confirm.
Hmm.
So we have added basically the two events for our website. So these events basically vary from business to business. So just example, if we have the e-commerce store, then view content will be there, add to cart event will be there, then checkout event will be there, payment info and purchase option. So basically
Okay.
these events based on the different businesses depend what we need to do with those basically events. So right now based on your website, we only set up the two.
Okay. And
Okay,
then we could
then
track this on the website, right?
exactly. So one more thing from here. So just example, it's showing the number of visitors, like page views from here. But if you want to track the specific URLs like services page, how many people out of these went to the services page. So how we can set up that one? We need to click on this one option, custom conversions, and we need to create this custom conversion.
Okay.
So here, just example, I am putting services page visitors. Excel will be fine. Source, website, and all URL traffic. So here, what we need to do from website and from services page. So simply add this last part of the URL, our services, and then at this point, add that our services and create
Okay.
that one. So
Now we're
right now
tracking
it's
how many people go to this section of the website.
exactly. So how we can activate that one? So I am just refreshing the page and then again refreshing it. So now you can see it's active and under the total custom conversion, you can see how many people are visiting your services page.
Okay. So I know on like
Some,
iPhone they have some like on iPhones there's like some I don't know anti-tracking stuff. Do you know if that has to do with any of this?
sorry, which tracking?
I think like on iPhones there's like some option to like stop tracking or something. Do you know if it has to do
Yes,
with any
yes.
of this?
Yes, so basically that is Facebook already optimize the pixel data with the conversion API. So we can add the conversion API. Remember yesterday we did that, the conversion API thing. So
Hmm.
with the conversion API, it will automatically start adding those things. And for those who opted out of tracking, so Facebook have their own mechanism to track, but mostly we cannot track those things accurately. Even Facebook cannot track things there properly. But for the other ones, they
Okay.
have optimized the conversion. Like even on the Facebook app, they can track the things, or through the conversion API, they can track the things there.
Okay. So like what things can they not track on the website using the conversion API?
Again, if just example, someone opted out of the tracking. So from the server side tracking and the conversion API, there are the tools that Facebook as a backend using for tracking those conversions. But again, those are not the 100%. Still, Facebook is you can say the having the hard time for tracking those who opted out of the tracking.
Okay.
Yes. So only
All
the
right.
thing is
Yeah.
that we need to set up the server side tracking right now.
Okay.
Okay, so again from the conversion tracking, we have set up the two things from here. One is basically the standard events. Standard events like we have set up the view content, we have set up leads event or similar to these ones. Similarly, second one we have the custom conversions. Custom conversions we can add the page URLs like services page that we done that. So similarly, for just example, if the e-commerce business, so what people are doing, they are adding different product pages as a custom conversion and tracking the different people there. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.